Welcome to Online Tools Master, your go-to channel for exploring the best online utilities. In today's video, we'll dive into the integer pair generator, a simple yet powerful tool that lets you generate random pairs of integers in the form of x, y coordinates. You can customize the range of numbers, adjust the formatting, and generate as many pairs as needed. Open your browser, search onlinetools.com/integer. The integer pair generator is a browser-based tool that randomly creates Cartesian coordinate pairs. Each pair consists of two integers. The first value represents the x-coordinate, or abscissa. The second value represents the y-coordinate, or ordinate. You can define separate number ranges for the x and y coordinates and even adjust how the output is formatted. You can choose different brackets, round, square, curly, or none. Change the separator, comma, semicolon, colon, etc. Generate multiple pairs at once. Print them vertically or horizontally with custom spacing. Now, let's see this tool in action with three interesting examples. For our first example, let's generate 10 random integer vectors using numbers 0 to 9. We set the x-coordinate range from 0 to 4. The y-coordinate range is from 5 to 9. This ensures that every point appears in the first quadrant, where x is always smaller than y. Here's the result. In second example, we'll generate 20 points but with a twist. The x values will be negative, from -100 to -1. The y values will be positive, from 1 to 100. We'll also use curly brackets instead of round ones. Separate numbers using a semicolon. Print all pairs in one line, with spaces in between. Notice how 0 never appears in the output because we didn't include it in the ranges. For the final example, let's generate a binary coordinate chain. Both x and y values will be from 0 to 1. We'll remove the comma separator between coordinates. We'll replace parentheses with angle brackets. We'll separate each pair with a hyphen symbol. This format is useful for binary logic systems and bitwise operations. If you enjoy working with numbers, check out our previous tutorials on reverse binary numbers. Learn how to flip binary digits effortlessly. Invert binary bits, quickly swap zeros and ones using an online tool. Found this tool useful? Then don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more awesome tutorials, and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching Online Tools Master. See you in the next video.